Hi, I want to thank you for visiting our website and your interest in becoming a pruning, weeding, and flower bed enhancement technician. I'm going to tell you why we have such a great place for you to work and why our team is so awesome. First things first, we care about you. It's that simple. We want you to be successful. We want you to build your career and make more money being part of our team. And at Tuxedo, we work hard to make sure that you are set up well for success every single day. Your routes are pre-planned and laid out on a mobile device with GPS to help you find your way to each job. With our company, you will get a custom truck that is built for doing pruning, weeding, and installing bark and all the other things that come along with that. Installing shrubs and trees, just all of that stuff as far as taking care of flower beds. And you'll get all brand new battery-powered equipment. And you might ask, what's so great about that? Well, today's battery-powered equipment has much more power than their gas counterparts. And my favorite part is that you don't have to waste time and energy pulling a start cord over and over and over trying to get some piece of junk to start. With battery power, you just pull the trigger and it goes to work for you. It's so much easier. You'll also never have to go to the dump. And if you are on a larger job, your manager will bring you a dump trailer to haul the debris away for you. And all of your equipment is sharpened and serviced twice a week for you so that you know your equipment is safe and ready to get the work done and will cut like butter. We do all of this so that you can focus on doing what you do best, making flower beds look simply awesome. This sets you up for success and the ability to make more money each and every day. All of our techs are eligible for bonuses and raises each month. And as an enhancement technician, you will get your 40 hours in 4 days so that you can have a 3-day weekend so long as the work gets done on time. You'll get paid every Friday on time, every time. We never miss a payroll and we're never late. We have direct deposit, we have health insurance, dental, vision, and other benefits. We also pay better than other companies. And to top it all off, you get paid in the winter even when you're not working as much. Now, if you are hardworking, a problem solver, have the ability to be adaptable to new situations, and you are an honest person, we would love for you to come and join our team. We have a lot of fun here, and we do work hard too. If this sounds like something that you would be good at and would enjoy, give us a call. Phone number is 801-540-4713, or send your resume to service@tuxedoyardcare.com. We've been around for 2 decades, and we are looking for amazing people to work with us for the next 2 decades or longer. We look forward to meeting with you, and have a great day. See ya. Bye.